Friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can solve your mobile data problem on Samsung phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all friends, here you have to click on setting. When you click on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, or you can search for the directly for the reset options, reset network. You can search reset, then here many options will come. Okay, so here is the reset network setting here under the general management. So just click on reset network setting. When you click on reset network setting, the second option is the reset network setting, so you have to tap on it. When you tap on it, and you can see here is the reset options, just click on reset setting. Here your Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem and Bluetooth problem or any about network problem, it will be solved. Okay, it will be fixed successfully. But if it doesn't fix, then what you need to do is that you can contact your service center. Okay, you can move on. Okay, so because I just give you some suggestion how you can fix your mobile data problem, or you can say network problem. Okay, or you can reset your mobile phone also if your mobile phone is much hanging. Then but first of all, to reset your mobile phone, you can transfer your files to another device, example like through your drive, or you can say any drive or mobile phone or computer. Okay, you can backup. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.